welcome back. What? Today we're gonna see the new ice cream. Today we're gonna see the new ice cream from the McDonald's. See, I buy it. It's from the McDonald's and this is the new product. Let's see if we can do it. Just want to open it. Okay. Let's see this. This is for that. Yes. Okay. We're gonna put it inside the ice cream. All of it, okay. We're gonna put all of this inside the ice cream. Quiet. This is too quiet. Okay, okay. Now let's see. We're gonna stir it from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. It's changing. Wow, it's changing color. Oh, they really are good. The ice cream color is white and now it's changing to pink or purple. I think it's pink. Okay, let's just stir it until 22 stir it. Okay. Okay, I think it's done. Let's see what's inside. Hey, don't do that. Okay, there's nothing inside it. It says change, see the color change, and search for surprise inside it. But there's no surprise. Oh, I think this is only a joke. Then let's try it. It's yummy. It tastes like blueberry. Yes, it is. Okay, the color changed to purple. Not pink anymore. Try it. Try it. Want to try it? Guys, now the ice cream is cold. Yes, he's eating a pie. The ice cream is perfect and the taste is very good, but I cannot find the surprise inside it. There's nothing, I think.
No surprise.
Yeah, no surprise. I don't find anything. So just eat it. So yummy. Tastes really like blueberry. So what are you going to do? So cold. And I have a brain freeze. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, share and like. See you in another video. Bye. Bye.